Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about how to separate two miscible liquids. Example, alcohol and water. Now the process that we are going to discuss over here is known as distillation, and this process is used when the liquids do not decompose when heated, and second, the difference in their boiling points is at least 25 Kelvin. So what do you mean by do not decompose? By the meaning of do not decompose, we actually mean that when such liquids are heated, say if they are taken in a vessel, and if the liquid is now heated, say water, if it is heated, we know that water is made up of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Now, if water is heated, most of the water, it changes into water vapor. It does not break down into hydrogen gas or oxygen gas. Actually, a very little amount of water does break down, but that is so insignificant that we can neglect it. So on the whole, water when heated does not break down into its constituents, hydrogen and oxygen, and so that is what we mean by do not decompose when heated. Again, the liquids that we are going to separate should have a difference of at least 25 Kelvin in their boiling points. If that is not the case, then this method will not work. Now suppose both these conditions are fulfilled, then how do we carry out this process? In order to carry out this process, we take a round bottomed flask and we place it on some kind of a stand, and we put the liquid, in fact the mixture of the two liquids, like what we have taken here is alcohol and water, we put this mixture inside this round bottom flask. We close the mouth of this flask and we have two things coming out from here. One is a thermometer and another is a delivery tube. This delivery tube is enclosed in a condenser. A condenser is a device which will condense the water vapor or the vapor of the liquid that is passing through this delivery tube. And the other end of the delivery tube opens out in a container which may be kept on some other stand. Now, when the mixture of these two liquids is heated, the temperature rises, and at a certain temperature, which is about 70 to 75 degrees Celsius, alcohol present in this mixture begins to boil. So vapors of alcohol start coming out, and vapors of alcohol pass through this delivery tube, and this delivery tube passes through this condenser. Now this condenser is continuously supplied with a supply of cold water. So here always cold water is flowing inside, and through the cold water this tube is going. So these vapors of alcohol are passing through the tube, which is surrounded by cold water. So the vapors of alcohol will condense over here, and in this place over here we will have drops of alcohol coming out, and liquid alcohol will be collected in this container. Now when this alcohol is boiling, the temperature will not rise. When the entire alcohol has boiled and has changed into vapor and has gone through this tube over here, then we shall note a rise in the temperature in the thermometer. And as soon as we note a rise in the temperature in the thermometer, we can conclude that all the alcohol in this mixture has turned into vapor and has flown through this tube into this place over here. At that time we can stop heating and remove this round bottom flask from this place. Then what will we have? We will have the two liquids separated from each other. In this container we will be having alcohol, the liquid whose boiling point is less will evaporate first and will be collected in this container, and we will have water over here because water will be left over in this round bottom flask. In this manner we have separated two miscible liquids, that is liquids that dissolve into each other like alcohol and water, and this process is the process of distillation. And we must remember these two conditions for the process of distillation. The first condition is that the liquids should not decompose when heated, and the second condition is that the difference between their boiling points should be at least 25 Kelvin. We'll come back in a later video to look at what happens if the difference in the boiling points of the two miscible liquids is less than 25 Kelvin. What is the technique that is adopted in such cases? We shall come back to see in a later video. Now for the present we just take a quick break. Thank you.